And here we have Jamie, who is going to demonstrate. So in a matter of moments, this will be a mobility scooter. You're under no pressure, Jamie. So it does fold up so that you can stick it in the back of your car. Right, let's do it. Oh, he's off. Oh, it's quiet. Oh. Has it got a reverse? Are you in fast now?
No reverse.
Well, it had a beep.
That's the horn indicator. And on the side handles.
Okay, and have you got brake lights? You have. Very good. Anything else to show us?
2 speed settings. Quite a nippy thing.
It is nippy. And it folds up to go in your boot.
And quite light.
Lovely. Thank you, Jamie.